Hello everyone, myself Divya of class final year BCA. Today I am going to talk about big data in healthcare. So let us see what are the learning objects in this session. Introduction of big data. What is big data in healthcare? Why big data is used in healthcare? How big data is used in healthcare? Benefits of big data in healthcare and advantages and disadvantages of big data in healthcare. First, we move on to introduction of big data. Big data, it is a data with huge size and also it's a collection of massive and complex data sets and data volume. It includes the huge quantities of data, data management capabilities, social media analytics, and real-time data. Examples of big data are discovering consumer shopping habits, cybersecurity protocols, social media, jet engines, Amazon, and real-time data monitoring. Next one, what is big data in healthcare? Healthcare means it is the maintenance or improvement of health by the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of disease, illness, and injury, and other physical and mental impairment in human beings. Big data in healthcare is a term used to describe massive volume of information created by the adoption of digital technologies that collect patients' record and helps in maintaining hospital performance. Otherwise, it too large and complex for traditional technologies. And also it maintains online health records and it analyzes trends and helps predict healthcare outcomes and improves personalized care and optimizes growth. Examples of big data in healthcare are disease research, hospital administrative process automation, prevention of unnecessary doctor's visit, disease prediction, new drug discovery, more accurate health insurance rates, streamlined patient data sharing, and personalized patient healthcare experiences. Next one, why big data is used in healthcare. Knowledge derived from big data analysis gives healthcare providers clinical insights not otherwise available. It allows them to prescribe treatment and maintain clinical decision with greater accuracy and eliminating the guesswork often involving in treatment, resulting in lower cost and enhanced patient care. And also it is faster identification of high risk patients and more effective interventions. It better decision making, closer monitoring, and correlate prior clinical knowledge versus big data crunching. Next one is how big data is used in healthcare. There are three ways. One is massive storage, massive computation, and another one is powerful analytics. In massive storage, it is increasingly detailed data for each individual, increasing genomic, cellular, and environmental data, historical patient records, and clinical trials. In massive computation, it is distributed and parallel computation on commodity hardware. In powerful analytics, it allowing to process large amount of data in batch or in streaming. Next is benefits of big data in healthcare. First one is improved operational efficiency. Big data helps to understand the historical admission and discharge rate of patients, helping to analyze and staff efficiency and productivity while handling the different volume of patients at a time. Big data analysis also help to improve the accuracy in financial and administrative performance. Next one is advanced patient care and treatment. Big data helps to understand the electronic health records and medical data like clinical data and then pathology test, medical conditions and diagnosis, helping doctor facilitate to better healthcare to wide range of patients. Next one is discovery the right cure for disease. It is not necessary a drug effective in curing disease to a patient may not work in same way. So big data also help to discover the right medicine and curing process that can help patients to get the treatment. Next one is personalized and integrated communication. Improving the overall communication system and customer assistance are another advantages of big data in healthcare. Big data is also crucial for transmitting marketing communication platform like email, patients portal and call centers. Next one is enhanced access to key information. In the cloud-based strategy service are getting improved day by day, allowing people to access the big data information from any location. This kind of facility also benefits doctors who can access electron medical records anytime from anywhere to enhance the patient's care. Next one is productivity maintenance of equipment. Hospitals and healthcare centers operate with physical and technological infrastructure, and in order to operate smoothly and trouble-free facilitate operations, all such equipment and machines must work in right manner. The last one is the future of big data in healthcare. The role of big data in healthcare sector is going to become more vital with more demand from fast growing technologies like machine learning, and adopting big data analytics will also become vital for healthcare organization to operate with better efficiency and productiveness. Last one is big data in healthcare advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are it is higher quality care and early inventions and detect fraud. And disadvantages are privacy and replacing doctors. Let us conclude this session. One of the essential budget-oriented talk in healthcare and its cost, mainly in countries having very less economic status, areas with bad health hygiene is increasing birth. In this study, we propose to analyze the healthcare using the big data. Thank you.